You're watching the News Hour at 9.
Ladies and gentlemen, I always promised you I will bring you the first investigative details of this entire drug racket, the drug chats first exposed here on the News Hour. Tonight on the News Hour, I'm getting you sensational details of the Bollywood drug gang. For the first time on Indian television, we have three names of Bollywood personalities, and all these three celebs are now under the scanner of the Narcotics Control Bureau. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, anybody who was today saying smash patriarchy needs to come out and look at these names, because this is what was making them nervous. When will their names pop up? Because Rhea is singing. The interrogation files of the Narcotics Control Bureau have named three biggies of the Bollywood drug mafia nexus. Name number one, Sara Ali Khan. Name number two, Rakul Preet Singh. And name number three, Simone Kambata. Names that have now come up during the investigation, and these are not names that are being given by me. These are names given by Rhea Chakrabarti in the interrogation period of the last 3 days that she was with the Narcotics Control Bureau. And these are not only the names that have been given. There are more. We've been able to uncover three names, Rakul Preet Singh and Sara Ali Khan. Two, and Simone Kambata. Simone Kambata's drug chats was something that we brought to you. We also brought to you visuals of Sushant Singh Rajput getting a private charter plane to fly to Bangkok with Sara Ali Khan as one of the members who took that flight, and she had named used the name of Sara Sultan in those drug chats. And number three is Rakul Preet Singh. These are the three names that have been given by Rhea Chakrabarti in the interrogation with the Narcotics Control Bureau chiefs. And this is the big breaking news that we are getting to you. And joining me tonight on the News Hour is Priyank Tripathi, who's been following this entire investigation in Mumbai. Priyank, three names. It is Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh and Simone Kambata. What are your sources in the Narcotic Control Bureau telling you?
See, Navika, this is a 20-page statement which has been given by Rhea Chakrabarti to the NCB in the CI number 16. And in this statement, she has specifically named these three individuals among those who were also consuming narcotic substance. Rhea initially refused to accept that she was also consuming it, but later to that she had agreed. And that was a statement which we broke 2 days back, where she had agreed that yes, she was consuming narcotic substance. But Rhea is certainly not allowing other individuals to go away just by this. She has also named several individuals, and which also include these movie stars who have also been consuming that. What NCB is doing right now, that they are focusing on the A, B and C grade of Bollywood celebrities who have been involved in these kind of narcotic substance which abuse which they have been doing since years.
Well, also there are other names we understand that will take some time, because right now there is a due diligence that is being done by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and more names are likely to surface. There are other names that have been given. We understand 25 A-listers. Who are these? Any idea about these names, Priyank?
Navika, there are two sets of investigations which will be followed. One, the financing in the Bollywood by the D company, and what the NCB is also focusing on is one of the prominent movie maker who has always been critical about the government. And what they have got to know that he was also getting fund from the D company, and he was also casting new upcoming models and as their movie stars. So that is one aspect of investigation. The second aspect statement is also focusing on all those individuals in the Bollywood industry who were involved in so-called grooming of these celebrities, and they were made addicted to these kind of narcotic substance. The third set is including these prominent people who have been indulging in these kind of narcotic substance abuse. And this is not we have been seeing, Navika. This is what Riya Chakravarti has told to NCB officials.
That's the point. Riya Chakravarti has been singing. She's the one who's given these names, and these are the names that are next on the list for an invitation from the Narcotics Control Bureau for questioning. Well, when will that happen? We'll keep you posted. But let me go across to our guest tonight, Shehzad, Ms. Malini Awasthi joining us, Ratan Sharda, author, also with us, Priyanka Deo, and of course, we have Manasvi Thapar joining the panel with Ravi Srivastav and MC Abbas. I want to ask you, Malini ji, अब तक ये कहा जा रहा था कि हम एक बिहार इलेक्शंस का एक खड़ा कर रहे हैं, बहुत सा यहाँ सामग्री, और ये बिहार इलेक्शंस के लिए हेल्प करने के लिए. डू यू नॉट थिंक दैट ड्रग्स, the drug cartels, and Riya Chakravarti is taking these names? This is not just about consumption. This is about also a drug syndicate and suppliers who supply to B-Town, because those are the people that the Narcotics Control Bureau needs to get at. And do you think this has any connection with Bihar elections as it was being said in the beginning?
Hello Navika, first of all let me congratulate you for your perseverance and your follow-up and your detailing and your entire team. Yes, I think the tragic death of Sushant Singh Rajput has led to now many uncomfortable truths that Bollywood, I would say media, and generally everyone was aware of. People are now going to face these dark truths. We all knew, as an artist I know, we have been listening to the stories of drug. We have been listening and been subjected also to the outcast behavior that one does to the artists who come from other states. We have been part of it. But what followed after Sushant Singh Rajput's untimely demise, and the way government has deliberately tried to shield away the facts, deliberately tried not the facts to come out the way they should have, it has raised doubts and suspicion. And I'm not surprised you said Riya is singing, and I'm sure she is going to sing few more very predictable and obvious names that everybody has been aware of. I was just listening to Priyank, and he said that this was also a part of the scheme to introduce young talents and get them addicted to drugs so that they start dancing to your tune.
Get them addicted to drugs was the battle plan that was put out. And I want to ask you, Manasvi Thapar, अब भी आप कहेंगे कि ये बिहार इलेक्शंस का प्लॉट है playing out in Mumbai?
Good evening, Navika ji. This is bigger than that. I'll give you understanding here is, see, from Urta Riya to Urta Bollywood to Urta Maharashtra, the concentration should have been, there were three top-notch agencies investigating it. One was for the death probe, other was for the money trail, third was the NCB. The only movement we have seen is on the drug angle. But the pointed question would be, there is no one from the BJP who I could ask this question was, that what is the Kathni and Karni? India should be drug-free, and what are the efforts of the present government who's in the central force? So what is their idea for this? Urta Bollywood is clearly understood. But when people
when they find out names, you have a problem. Shehzad Poonawalla, when they find out names, there is a problem. Then they say, what happened to the murder conspiracy angle?
Yes.
What happened to the money laundering angle? When they get the drug angle, they say, Baki kya hua? Are?
Navika, I would only tell my good friend Manasvi, not more power to you, but more powder to you. I mean, these are the people who said roses are red, violets are blue. smash patriarchy, me and you. They are actually saying roses are red, violets are blue.
Navika ji,
They got
your show
Riya.
powder
They'll
has
come
been
after us
promoted.
too.
I think that's
This
a
is
great
why the
thing to
Maha
promote.
Bollywood drug Agadi, Manaswi,
I
don't
don't
behave
think
like MC Abbas. Don't behave like MC Abbas and Ravi Srivastava, whom I've just applied volunteer to. No, hold on. More powder to you. Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. I have not interrupted you. Wait for your turn, Manaswi Thapar. Manaswi Thapar, wait
Okay,
for your
I'll come
turn.
to you,
I have
Manaswi.
done
I'll
this
give you a
longer
chance
and
to
I've done
rebut.
this
Let him
longer
make
than
his
you.
point. I'll
I
come
will
back
keep
to you.
no,
Yes.
I will not
Yes,
allow
Shehzad.
myself to be interrupted.
1 minute,
No,
1 minute.
You know, Navika.
क्या हो गया? पाउडर बोला, मुझे नहीं समझ आया कौन सा पाउडर है, मुझे नहीं समझ आता.
अब मैंने बोला
अगर आपको पाउडर समझ आता है तो आप बताइए कौन सा पाउडर है. मुझे टैल्कम पाउडर पता है.
रिया के चाहने वालों को रिया
शहजाद
के चाहने वालों को सब समझ में आएगा. अब मानसवी थापर don't try to be a MC Abbas part 2 because you will be the cheapest imitation that can be possibly made. Now let me make my point. This is the reason. This roses are red, violets are blue kind of feminist. Now please Manasvi,
Manasvi, 1 minute. Manasvi is faded down. I'm running out of time, Manasvi. Don't interrupt each other. I won't have time for your rebuttal. Shehzad, make your point quickly. I need to get in Ratan Sharda. Navika, I think you have to start off this debate by giving some of these panelists some kind of doobie or some kind of MDMA now. I'm not in the business. They won't keep quiet. I'm not in the business, Shehzad. Find your own. Find your own.
Well, the people they defend are the people they defend are, so they can source it. Now, anyways, the point I'm trying to make, Navika, if I'm allowed to, is that these roses are red, violets are blue kind of feminists were basically trying to put a parda on the non-compliance, the incompetence of the Mumbai police. And the question is, why did the Mumbai police did not earth the Riya Shovik drug link, which Navika Kumar did? Why were they trying to protect the Maha drug Bollywood Aghadi, which Navika today has exposed? The question is simple, because they're all in it together. Maybe after this debate, they'll all snort it up, sniff it up, and say,
Ratan Sharda, is this the reason why they were going after Riya's liberty? Because they were worried if Riya was arrested, then all these dark secrets would come out? Is this the reason they were bringing out patriarchy as something that they needed to smash?
See, these people don't realize that Indians are now quite well versed with this language of patriarchy and matriarchy and all that stuff. So that is one part of the game. Second is naturally they were afraid that they'll be exposed. My major issue is that why everything has to be looked upon with a political eye and with the eye on the election. I simply don't understand. There are many things which are beyond politics, which are beyond elections. Why these people come here and start, deviating from the debate? I must compliment you that you were the first one who has come up with enough evidence to prove that drug was the link which created all this havoc. Some days back I tweeted that I am afraid that ultimately this case of death will also go like nobody killed Jessica, nobody killed Sushant Sunanda, because evidence was already tempered for so many days. There is hardly any chance that this will be proven in the court of law. But yes, if this drug angle can be properly traced and we are able to at least destroy the drug cartel for some time, a lot of lives will be saved. That is the
way to look at it. That's the way to look at it. And MC Abbas, I want to ask you, are you not in favor of this cleanup? Because these drugs will destroy generations after generations. And if this becomes normal, is this something that you will actually want to live with and propagate?
Navika ji, as a matter of fact, you've been a flag bearer, you've been a pioneer in exposing this. I think we all Indians must thank you on that. Second point, Bihar elections के लिए use हो रहा है नहीं. ये देखिए मेरे साथ एक फोटो, Bihar Pradesh Bhajpa Committee. This is Sushant Singh Rajput being used for the Bihar elections. That हम सोग मना रहे हैं, हम सुशांत के साथ हैं. This is BJP.
तो शायद आपने अधीर रंजन चौधरी का नाम सुना होगा, जिन्होंने रिया चक्रवर्ती को बंगाल की what did she say, शहजाद? बंगाल की क्या कहा उन्होंने? ब्राह्मण गर्ल ऑफ बंगाल.
बंगाली
वो ठीक है.
बंगाली ब्राह्मण.
मैं बताता हूँ.
वो ठीक है इलेक्शन के लिए जो अगले साल आने वाला है. But Priyanka Deo, 1 minute. I don't want to get
MC
into
Abbas,
this.
why do all
Priyanka
your
Deo,
arguments
I
sound
want
as
to
if
ask
it's
you,
personal
is this
attack?
why the Bollywood biggies had changed their display pictures on their Twitter accounts, on their Insta accounts, and they talked about, let's smash the patriarchy? What does patriarchy have to do with drug distribution? Were they only supporting Rhea because Rhea would sing and give some of their names?
You know, why would it just seems that Rhea Chakraborty is going from one PR stunt to the other? And I just did a video on this on my social media. If she did not want, if all these Bollywood and left lobby people and Bollywood mafia people are trying to vilify media right now, saying let's smash patriarchy and India is no place for women, then why would Rhea herself, when she was the prime suspect of a potential murder case at the time, why would she herself of her own will go and do a mainstream media interview with Rajdeep? If she did not want media coverage, if she didn't want media to cover the SSR case, why would she go and do that? And today they are screaming smash patriarchy because all of their names are exposed. So Navika, I absolutely agree with you that to save their own behind, for lack of better words, the left lobby is now giving up every excuse that they can come up with that India is no place for women and smash patriarchy. But, you know, the proof is in social media itself, because when you look at what happened with Kangana, which was literally smashing her home and her office, that was literally an example of smashing patriarchy.
Ratan Sharda, before I end the debate, I want to ask you, I was called a vulture for going after Rhea Chakraborty. Now that these names come up, what will they call me?
I don't want to abuse you because you have done something wonderful. I would not like to use any word that goes against your hard work. But I did find that they were abusing even on the show, and I was really shocked. Because you never spoke without facts. You came up with enough evidence. Still they were abusing you. If you had just made some rhetorical statement, I can understand, but yours was solid proof.
Shehzad!
Still they went on abusing you.
Shehzad,
and see,
is the vulture back?
Delay, the Khan family has come into picture.
Navika,
now that is the real danger for this Khan.
Navika, जिनका नहीं कोई कल्चर, वो दूसरों को बुलाए वल्चर, और जो कहे सुशांत के लिए इंसाफ की लड़ाई, वो उनके लिए उनके सबसे बड़ी दुश्मनी उनकी साथ ही निभाई. तो इसीलिए नाविका कुमार, you are enemy of the state of Maharashtra number 1, कंगना रनौत is enemy of the state number 2, and they will. आपका घर अच्छा है, मेरे घर के बगल में दिल्ली में है, वरना आपके घर को भी तोड़ दिया होता, आपको भी धमकी दे दी होती. और ये MC अब्बास,
we'll keep doing our work, and as I said last week, vultures शनि होते हैं, सब रॉट हटाते हैं और नई फसल उगाते हैं. This is what we will do, and we will bring out facts, challenges on our facts, and we will look you in the eye and give you fact after fact after fact. After all, even these facts are from the earlier chats Rhea had with Simone Kambata, where they discussed best hash, best weed from Bhubaneswar. That was also a fact that I put out before you. Well, once again, thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Think of the names. These are not names given by me, but Rhea Chakraborty to the Narcotics Control Bureau. And the names are Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh, and Simone Kambata. Thank you for joining me on the News Hour. I'll be back on Monday. More names and more stories. See you then. Same time, same place.